Okay, JD. I didn't want to tell you because it's going to be a surprise. And I think I'm going to get a kitten for the house. Now don't be mad. Thinking about it a lot. Kind of like you've been wanting to get a new car. And I thought it would be good for the kids. So Healy. Healy. Wakey wakey. Healy. Go bye-bye. Go bye-bye. Go bye-bye. Get that thumb out of your mouth. Get it out. Get it out. Get it out. Get it out. Out. Wakey wakey. Wakey wakey. Wakey wakey. Wakey wakey. Wakey. Haley. Haley. Haley, look at mommy. Mommy kiss. Oh. You wanna go get a kitty? You wanna go get a kitty? Let's go get a kitty. You wanna go get one? We're gonna go get a kitty. Say, Daddy, we want a kitty. Come on, let's go. Let's go bye-bye. Let's go buy a kitty. Come on. Let's go buy a kitty. Yeah, we're gonna go buy a kitty. Yeah, we gotta go bye-bye though. Kiss, kiss. You can sleep in the car on the way to go get our kitty. Okay? We gotta go bye-bye. Don't tell Daddy. Well, it'll be a surprise. Let's go buy one.